No, me not want to play.
No, me not want to play.
Ouch! Stop doing everything like Wild.
Yum. Big mouth, hungry.
Run!
But you told us not to do like you.
Blue snack.
I'm not sure I understand. Do you want them to be stealthy or to run?
Just keep up, and now swing from vines.
That hurt.
Exercise 3, traps. Me teach you make traps. First, dig hole. Then, put leaves over it. If Azrael walk over, he fall in. If lucky, Gargamel too.
A beautiful butterfly. Hey, I thought Azrael was supposed to fall into the trap.
This new trap. If Gargamel touch rope, tree hit Gargamel. Boom!
Oh my, look at my skin. These lessons aren't doing my complexion any good.
You, stop and mirror. You, listen!
Oh, Wild, I'm really quite wild to see you in flight like a cloud.
I did tell you that it wouldn't be a piece.
Me, not give up. They become wood Smurfs. Me, lose them in forest.
What? No, we can't. Papa Smurf will scold me in.
You not understand. We pretend lose them, but we hide and follow them.
Ah, all right.
Oh, Wild, my dear Smurf, with such grace you fell to earth.
Now you learn to sleep in forest.
I'm gonna be sleeping beauty.
Wild?
Do you really think we should sleep out here in this wood?
What a Smurf are we going to try that place?
Wild, don't tell me that this is where we're sleeping.
Who are you talking to, Vanity?
Where have they gone? Oh, despair! What will we become? Lost in this forest so dark and glum.
I think it's great sleeping under the stars, surrounded by bears and ogres. We'll make lots of friends.
Bears? Ogres?
Wild, I'm not sure that this is a good idea, right?
Where's that terrifying cry? Is a monster lurking nearby?